AI tools that can save you hours. Have you ever looked at your to-do list and thought, there's no way I can finish all of this today? What if I told you there are AI tools that can save you hours every single week? Tools that take the boring, repetitive, time-consuming tasks and get them done in minutes? From writing to organizing, from meetings to content creation, AI is transforming the way we work. Let's explore 5 powerful AI tools that can literally change your productivity forever. 1. ChatGPT, your all-in-one productivity assistant. Let's start with the most talked about tool, ChatGPT. But here's the thing, most people only use it for fun chats, when in reality, it can be your ultimate productivity partner. Imagine needing to write a professional email, draft an essay, or prepare a business proposal. Normally, you'd spend hours researching, structuring, and editing. With ChatGPT, you just type your request, and it generates a complete draft in seconds. Students can use it to create study outlines, summarize books, or even practice interview questions. Content creators can use it to generate YouTube script ideas, video descriptions, or SEO-optimized blog posts. Business professionals can have ChatGPT summarize long reports, create pitch decks, or even suggest new strategies. And here's the best part. ChatGPT can adapt to your style. Want something casual, formal, persuasive? Just tell it, and it shifts tone instantly. That flexibility saves not only time, but also the frustration of rewriting drafts over and over again. What used to take 3 hours of effort can now be done in 15 minutes. Another underrated use, brainstorming. If you're stuck on ideas for a project, ChatGPT can throw out dozens of suggestions in seconds. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can start refining real possibilities. That kind of creative boost alone can shave days off big projects. 2. Notion AI, smarter organization for work and study. We all know how easy it is to drown in notes, to-do lists, and projects. That's where Notion AI comes in. It's like having a personal assistant built into your productivity system. Say you just had a 2-hour meeting. Instead of rewriting your messy notes, Notion AI can instantly generate a clean summary, highlight the main action items, and even create a follow-up plan. Students can feed lecture notes into Notion AI and watch it transform them into structured study guides. If you're working on a project with your team, Notion AI helps you brainstorm, plan timelines, and organize ideas, all while keeping everything in one place. It saves hours you would normally waste flipping between apps, rewriting notes, or manually sorting information. Think of it as an extra brain that never forgets. It doesn't just remind you of tasks, it helps you decide which tasks matter most right now. For busy people juggling multiple responsibilities, this tool can be the difference between overwhelm and calm focus. What makes it even better is how seamlessly it integrates with daily work. Instead of being just another app to manage, Notion AI becomes the center of your workflow. You don't just save time, you gain clarity, which is priceless in today's fast-paced world. 3. Jasper AI, fast and powerful content creation. For anyone who creates content, whether it's blogs, ads, social media posts, or product descriptions, Jasper AI is a game changer. Let's face it, writing from scratch can be exhausting. Sometimes you spend hours brainstorming just to come up with a single catchy headline. Jasper takes that pain away. You type a short prompt, and Jasper generates multiple high-quality options instantly. Marketers love Jasper because it can produce entire email campaigns, ad copy variations, or landing page content in minutes. Bloggers use it to turn topics into full drafts complete with SEO keywords. Small businesses use it to create product descriptions that actually sell. And here's something even better. Jasper can also help you match your brand's voice. If your company has a specific way of communicating, Jasper learns that and produces content that feels like it came from you. That consistency saves endless hours of rewriting and ensures your audience always feels connected. Beyond marketing, Jasper is also becoming a secret weapon for startups and freelancers. With tight budgets and limited teams, having an AI copywriter means you can look professional, persuasive, and polished without paying thousands for agencies. That's a competitive edge worth gold. 4. Otter.ai, never miss a word in meetings. Again, we've all been there, sitting in a long meeting trying to take notes and realizing later you missed half the important details. That's where Otter.ai shines. Otter doesn't just record meetings, it transcribes them in real time. Imagine finishing a 1-hour Zoom call and instantly having a written transcript, complete with a summary and highlighted key points. No more rewinding recordings or asking colleagues what was decided. Students can use Otter to record lectures, then quickly skim the summaries instead of re-listening for hours. Professionals can use it for client calls, interviews, or brainstorming sessions, saving valuable time and ensuring nothing gets lost. And here's the kicker. Otter is searchable. That means if you want to find the exact moment someone mentioned budget approval in a meeting 2 months ago, you can locate it in seconds. That's the kind of time-saving power that adds up massively over the course of a year. Even better, Otter integrates with platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, so the process feels natural and automatic. Instead of struggling to capture every word, you can stay engaged in the conversation, knowing Otter has your back. 5. Descript, edit videos and audio in minutes. Last but not least, let's talk about Descript, a must-have tool for anyone editing audio or video. Traditional editing is slow and intimidating. You cut, trim, drag, and adjust, sometimes spending hours fixing a simple mistake. Descript flips the process upside down. It transcribes your audio or video, and you edit it like a text document. Delete a sentence in the transcript, and it disappears from the video. For podcasters, this is life-changing. No more scrubbing through audio files for hours. You just delete filler words and mistakes from the text. For YouTubers, you can fix a wrong line using Descript's AI voice cloning without re-recording. For businesses, training videos and presentations can be edited in a fraction of the normal time. And here's what makes it even more powerful. Descript has collaboration features. Teams can work together on the same video project, leaving comments and editing in real time. That means faster workflows, fewer back and forths, and projects that are done days earlier than before. With video content becoming the king of online communication, a tool like Descript doesn't just save time, it gives creators a massive edge in producing polished, professional results without the steep learning curve of traditional editing software. And there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools that can save you hours every single week. From ChatGPT's writing skills, to Notion AI's organization, Jasper's content creation, Otter's smart transcripts, and Descript's editing magic, these tools are proof that AI isn't just the future, it's the present. The smartest people aren't working harder anymore. They're working smarter with AI. The question is, are you? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tools, and strategies to boost your productivity and stay ahead in the AI-driven world. Your support helps us bring you even more actionable content every week.